Place one knee down on a bench with the barbell on the same side of the body and assume a tabletop position as demonstrated. Your back should be flat with your hands on the bench in a straight line under your shoulders. Pinch your shoulders back and down away from your ears. Squeeze your glutes, draw your belly button in towards your spine, and lift your opposite leg off the ground, keeping it straight at the knee and at hip level as demonstrated. Grab the barbell and row it, keeping your elbow in close to your side. Squeeze the weight at the top of the movement to feel your back muscles contract and lower under control, keeping the rest of your body as still as possible. Repeat for a set number of repetitions and switch sides of the body.